Testing, testing. Let's freaking do this. Oh boy, let's do this. Hi guys, so right now I'm gonna be doing a video on strangers editing my pictures to make me look better or hotter. I can't believe there's apps where you can send pictures and then they can edit it for you. I don't know, that's crazy. This is some millennial type stuff. I saw a couple people do this on YouTube and I was like, this is such a good idea. Like, I wanna try this. I need help with my pictures. My Instagram feed is not looking too good, so we're gonna do this. Also, I don't want people to think that you need to edit your pictures to make yourself look hotter. Like, you are already hot without the Facetune, without everything. That's not what I'm going for this video. It's just like me asking strangers to edit. I don't know if that even made sense, but just pretend like you know what I'm saying. Before I start, definitely subscribe. It's down below, and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload a new video. It's just that little bell thing, so definitely click it to be notified when I upload. I feel like I just talked so quick. I cannot breathe right now. So I have a couple of pictures that we're gonna be trying out. Hopefully that goes well and I'm not wasting my money, but who knows. The app we're gonna be using is Fiverr. I'm not really sure how you pronounce it. You can find a whole bunch of different things that you need done. So on here, I'm gonna search photo editing, and they have a whole bunch of like people that can edit your pictures on here. So we're just gonna like trust them and hopefully they do a good job. On this app, there's like different prices. So I'm gonna do one that's not that expensive, and then I'm gonna do like a middle one and one that is more expensive. Test it out and see if the more you spend, the better the picture will turn out. So we shall see. Okay, I found one, so we're gonna do this one. Do any Photoshop job within 6 hours, which is pretty good. So we're gonna do that one. Okay, this is what her profile looks like. So I'm gonna be putting in 2 pictures for this one. It's gonna be my like rave one, so we're gonna put that one in. And then we're also gonna be putting in this one from Vegas. It's kind of blurry, it needs like some work. I want the lights to look really cool, and just, we need help on that one. We need to like clear it up. It doesn't look really good quality, so we're just testing her. So for the first one, the rave one, we're gonna do, what do I want to this picture? Okay, I'm so bad at describing things. Okay, would love digital enhancing. I'm gonna sound really professional. Color corrections. I want the background to be colorful, the grass, the sky. I just want it to look. And then I'm gonna say anything that you think would make the picture pop and look great. So for the Vegas one, I'm gonna say pretty much the same thing. I want the lights in the background to look really cool, and anything that she thinks will look cool. So let's cross our fingers. So it's $5, plus I'm gonna add another picture, so it's another $5. So in total, after tax, it's $12 that I'm spending on these 2 pictures. So I just turned it in. Now let's find more people. We're gonna up the price. This one says Adobe Photoshop Edit Photo Retouching. He has pretty good editing. Okay, Starleon. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. I'm gonna do this picture, and this is just like a snow picture. So let's see what he's gonna do. I'm gonna say I want the background to look cool. Pretty much, if you guys can't tell, I just want everything to pop and look cool. I also told him I want my boobs to be more perky. Anything that he thinks would be cool, and I added just want people's reactions to be wow. I hate myself. Okay, so I just turned that in. This one was $22, so this is like the middle one. The next one we're gonna do is this one, and it says do any Photoshop editing. I'm wondering if the more you pay, the better the picture will come out. So let's do more for this one. So we're gonna go with $25, and this includes 3 pictures, and I'm gonna add like a deliver my file quicker. That's gonna be more. We get 3 pictures though, so that's good. So this one is a total of $32. A selfie, just so we can see like different types of pictures. So we're gonna do this selfie. Before the selfie, I wanted my eyes to pop, and I want them to look blue just to like test it out, you know? I want the background more white and pretty, make my boobs more perky or look better, because ever since I lost weight, my boobs like aren't as perky, so we're gonna ask him to like lift him up a little bit. Fix the lighting and anything that he thinks is good. The next picture we're doing is another rave one. I want everything to have a trippy effect on it, like a pop of color on the light and everything to look trippy. I'm not really good at describing stuff, so hopefully they understand what I'm saying. And then we're also gonna be doing this hot tub picture. I told him I want the background to look super cool and pop. Also, I want the smears on the hot tub glass to like be gone. Okay, so I just sent him that. That was $32, so now we wait. Let's just chill and hopefully they get these back quick. Yeah, okay, let's sit and wait. I'm kind of excited. Hopefully they turn out good. This will be really awkward if they're just like really bad, so I'm sorry.
2 hours later.
I'm back. Let's see here. It's literally been 2 hours and I already got a reply. For these ones, it says like a couple hours to a day. And 2 of them got back to me within 2 hours, which is amazing. Let's see, I'm kind of nervous, ew. Okay, we're gonna start off with the one that was $12. I'm gonna download the pictures right now, okay. So this was the before and then, oh my gosh, wait, okay. I'm actually shook. Let's dissect this picture. Is that the word? Let's dissect. No, that's like dissecting an animal, right? I don't know. Let's look at this. Why does it have the logo on it? I think I downloaded it wrong. Let's just ignore that. I told them I just wanted the picture to pop. I actually think she did a pretty good job. I think the only thing that I can really tell is pretty much brightened everything and made the sky look really good. We'll go off Amber. Okay, let's look at the other picture. The next one is this Vegas picture. So this is the before and then this is the after. Okay, you can definitely tell. I feel like with these ones, they just added a filter. I'm not really sure. I wish the like lights and stuff were more clear and brighter, but am I being picky? I mean, it was only $12. It looks better. I want the lights and everything to look so cool, but maybe it's just because the picture's like a little blurry. Honestly, I feel like she did a pretty good job for what I like asked and how much it was. Good job, Amber. The next one, which was $22, I asked Starleon, I think that's how you say it, I'm so sorry. I asked him to make the skies and everything look really cool and just make people say wow, which was one picture. It was $22, which is kind of expensive. Okay. Oh my gosh, when I go back and forth to my boobs, like, hi, hello, sister. I like how he made my face look brighter and my boobs. I'm kind of liking that. Hey, go off. I actually really like this. How would you guys rate this one? So far, everything's like been pretty good. I'm kind of nervous for the last one. Okay, now we're gonna go to the most expensive one, which is $32, which is kind of a lot. He edited 3 pictures, so we're gonna look at the first one, which is the hot tub picture. And I told him I wanted it to look really bright. The smears on the window not look so crusty, you know? Okay. I don't want to be mean, okay? I don't like that. I feel like it just looks really contrasted. He definitely did fix the smears on the window. I think he just blurred it, or it kind of looks like clouds. I'm not really sure. But I can still see like smears on the side, which I don't like. I don't really like this one. I look really tan. Moving on. This one is the selfie one, which I said I want my boobs to be perky and I want my eye color to be blue. Let's download this. Oh no, okay. I got what I asked for. I definitely wouldn't post this on Instagram. It looks so edited. The white background. I mean, my eyes do look blue. I don't know, what do you guys think? And now moving on to the last picture that I sent him. Hopefully this looks trippy like I asked for. So this is the before, and then this is the, oh. It doesn't look very trippy to me. I wanted it to look trippy, like vibey. He did take away that food. Like, that food is gone. Bye-bye. This is just not me, okay? I mean, it's not bad. I just don't like the filters I think he used. Why is the logo there? I think I keep downloading them weird. So yeah, that is Strangers editing. Comment below letting me know how you guys rate them. I really like the snow picture. I would definitely post that. Yeah, this was fun. I loved this. Definitely subscribe down below and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload a new video. It's just that little bell thing, so definitely click it. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!